How do I start with this and ended up with this? Or maybe this, or this, or this. How to turn your drawings into this ready image, okay? This online and free. It's a very creative tool. It's really interesting. So go to Google and type AutoDraw, okay? And go to this first result, autodraw.com, okay? Then you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. It's the startup page that asks you to start drawing or to see the how-tos. If you choose how-tos, you're gonna be able to see these options right here. Then go choose your size and review the left sidebar of menus. You have select, auto draw, draw, type, full, shape, the colors, zoom and undo, and at least delete. Go to auto draw, that is my favorite option, and just draw something like this, okay? For example, the tool already did understand that I draw a glass. Nice, right? Now, let's undo. And let's try again. Let me try, for example, to the tool already did understand that I'm trying to draw a bus. Nice, right? And it's really useful. And of course, you can click into the upper left corner of your screen to download, to share, to see some shortcuts. Okay, for example, the AutoDraw, select, type, paste, copy, move. Nice, right? What else you can do? Let me select this. And let me try something. Nice, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!